Yeah guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Pro Asiago Sounds. So for today's lesson I want to show you how to transfer style voice and a style from a keyboard to USB. So if you can see here, this is my screen. So there's a preset, user and a USB. So I want to show you how to transfer from a keyboard to a USB. So it is simple guys. If you follow, you can see what it contains. So in my screen we have a preset. Preset is the beats of the keyboard. Like here you see swing, jazz, Latin. So this is the beats for keyboard. So if you choose that, so that is a Latin. So we have a user. These are beats that was installed from USB to the keyboard. So this from water USB to the keyboard. This is not the keyboard. You see that one? So that's the user, and we have a USB. So this is the USB. This is my USB. So first of all, if you have your keyboard, you can do this one. Yeah, if you can see here, you can see audio player and a USB. This is to play a USB. So there is function. So first of all, let us exit. Let's say you want to save this bit here called 12 rounds to the USB. You just go to that bit. In some keyboards, if you want that, you just select and enter. So you can see it is in user. So we want to save it in USB. So you come to menu. So this is my menu. So it is here, menu. You open the menu. You go to USB. So it is in user. So you go to USB. You can choose where you want to save it. There's Android, there's Beats, there's Bongo, Comedy, all of that. So let's open Beats. You go to Beats, you open. So I want to save it in user file 1. So I open again the user file. So now I want to save it there. So it is simple. You come to save. You can see name, cut, copy, paste, delete, save, folder, and a menu. Up it means you go back. So we are in a USB. So you want to save, just save. 12 rounds. If you want to change the word, so it is simple. You can change. You just go to delete. To delete. So you want to save your, let's say, Pro Asiago. So it is my name. Let's say Pro Asiago. Yeah, the space Asiago. So it is Pro Asiago. You can add bit. Let's see bit. So you go to OK. So this is cancel and OK. This is delete. So you go to OK. The one they have. Now executing. Don't turn off the power of the keyboard. So it is saved. You can return back. So now you can go to user. It is 12 rounds. Go to USB. Now it is saved. If you want, you can test it. Now it is done. It is the same criteria to use from USB to user. You just, so let's say you want to transfer from USB to keyboard. That is Wamapendo. You just go to Wamapendo, go to category. Other keyboards have category. So this mine is only tab. This is, you go back to reverse. That one is user. If you want to save it there, you just go to menu. It brings you there, save Wamapendo. So this one we want to save it in the keyboard. So okay. Name already exists. If you want to oversave it, you just oversave it. Or you change the name. I show you how to change the name. Let's just save. You want to override it? Yes. Now it is there. That is Wamapendo. It has some good feeling. It is saved in the keyboard now. So this preset, don't forget, this preset is the beats of the keyboard. They are here. These are the beats of the keyboard. So expansion user, these are the users. You see, user. That's when you want to read the beats that are saved on the keyboard. So if you want the USB, there is a USB. You go to USB. So you go to style. So the style is here. You go to style, you open. I opened my beats. So all of my beats are here. If you want any, you just choose. You can touch the button, or you just scroll this wheel to the beat that you want. So let's say we want this one, copy of 20. Now if you go that, you just enter. No, the beat is ready. So it is so simple. If you want to this one, you just scroll the wheel. You see copy of Nigeria, you just enter. So for the keyboard PSR 670, I just start the criteria to use. It doesn't have these buttons. This is the shortcut. So you have to enter. If you enter now, it reads to automatically. So it is simple. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you and welcome for the next session.